Franklin Friday, episode 7. Welcome back, everyone. I'm Brandon Sanchez, Director of Marketing here at FranklinWH. Now that we're past Thanksgiving and we're into the holiday season, I've been thinking about how I'm going to be spending my holidays this year. I'm already lined up for my Disneyland trip, and I'll probably be eating a few more pounds of sugar because every time I go there, I just hover towards their cookies, and they're like these massive cookies. If you've had those, you know what I'm talking about. But anyway, how about all you guys? Do you have any fun plans this season? What's on your wish list this year? Drop it in the comment section. I'd love to hear it. With Christmas just around the corner, it's time to deck the halls, hang the lights, and prep for all those festive family gatherings. We all know that the holidays come with a lot of extra energy demands, whether it's powering up your festive lights, baking endless batches of cookies, and here I go about cookies again, or you could be running that heater to keep everyone cozy. But here's the real question. Who's going to help you keep all of that powered without sending those electricity bills to the North Pole? Well, lucky for you, you do not need to rely on any reindeers this season to deliver that solution. FranklinWH is here to help today. With our advanced energy management system, you can enjoy a stress-free holiday season. Imagine cozy nights by the fireplace without worrying about any sort of power outages, or you may be hosting that festive dinner, or you don't have to worry about the high energy bills that may be racking up. With time of use mode, the FranklinWH system automatically shifts your energy consumption away from those expensive peak hours, which are typically from that 4 to 9 p.m. time frame when the electricity rates are at its highest. This means you can keep your home warm, well lit for the holiday movie nights and those festive dinners without the worry of the sky-high bills. Meanwhile, in self-consumption mode, this will maximize your clean energy generated from your solar panels if you have them, and that reduces your reliance on grid power. So you have more to spend on gifts, food, holiday fun, or in my case, sugar. When it comes to those holiday gatherings, FranklinWH gives you full control, and I'm talking smart circuits here. So you can easily adjust lighting, heating, or kitchen appliances with just a tap on your phone. Whether you're hosting a large Christmas dinner or enjoying a quiet evening by the tree, you'll have the perfect balance of energy efficiency and comfort. If your winter storms are threatening your power supply, no worries. We have something called Storm Hedge. This will step in and protect your home from grid failures caused by bad weather. If the power does go out, Black Start will automatically restart your solar system if you have solar, ensuring that you can keep enjoying your holiday traditions without interruptions. FranklinWH isn't just about saving you money though. It's all about keeping your home comfortable, powered, and stress-free. We're here to support you through every holiday moment that you may have. Exciting news! The A-Power 2 is coming soon, and it's set to change the game in home energy management. With a 15 kWh capacity and a 10 kW continuous output, this powerful, weatherproof battery provides reliable home backup even in extreme conditions. Want more than that? So stay tuned for the A-Power 2 launch. Your future in smart, scalable home energy is almost here. So I've reviewed this month's submissions. Thank you again to everyone who's taken the time to showcase your beautiful installations. All participants will receive FranklinWH swag, so be on the lookout for a message from our team. Sunlight Electrical Solutions, congratulations, you have won our premium gift package for the month of November. We have one more special award this month, and that goes to SIG Solar. You will also be receiving a FranklinWH gift package. So that's it for this month's episode. Thanks for tuning in. Have a safe holiday season, and I'll see you guys on episode 8.